This is the first of its kind for me. This is the R32 refrigerant with the new sensors inside the evaporator, and I just wanted to kind of show what it's like. And it's just a plug and play, and this is the end, and then this is inside of the evaporator, which is a sensor. It either detects the refrigerant by smell or by the low loss of refrigerant by pressure. I'm really quite not sure, because like I say, this is the first for me. And the other end of it, of course, is inside the furnace. Can I get in there just 1 second?
Okay.
Un minuto. I just want to take a picture of this.
Yes.
But anyway, you know, it just plugs into the circuit board over there on that side there. And I believe I can't see it right now. I'm a little bit of distance, but it's just plug and play. And, you know, it just goes right in there. And that's about it. So I'm going to go ahead and let my guys finish up here with what they have to do. And I'm going to get out of their way. So anyway, that's Mr. Julio.
Isaac.
Isaac, and this
Yes.
is Mr. Isaac. So anyway, they're my helpers. But anyway, I'm gonna let them get to it. All right, thanks, guys. Well, I just wanted to show the final product. We finally completed it, and I just wanted to take a quick video of it. And we also put in that filter rack over here on the side, so the customer can go ahead and just change out the filter really easy. So I think it turned out very well. All right. Now the rain just won't give us a break, but anyway, we got it finished out. So the 2-ton R32, so it turned out really well. Anyway, we're out of here.